Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video. And in today's video we will be checking out another Nissan GTR. And as you can see in front of me, we have two regular Nissan GTRs, one top secret and one Tommy Kyra edition. But the next one might be even better than all four of these combined. So what I'm gonna review today is the regular Nissan Skyline GTR R34 as per always, but this time in black pearl. Now yeah, this is number 570, which is pretty nice. TSM model, Nissan Motor Corporation. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this one up as well. So yeah, looks like I bought another regular GTR. Just that I was so tempted in this car because of how good it is in black, and the outcome is so shocking. It indeed is, because it's in absolutely a clean color. Now here it is, the Nissan Skyline GTR R34 in black. And it's just absolute madness right here. It looks awesome in this metallic black livery. The only issue with it is it's a fingerprint, how would I say, a fingerprint magnet. That's the problem. Now black cars are mainly known for capturing fingerprints, especially in metallic black ones, and what can I say, you'll see many fingerprints on my car, even though I don't wear gloves, but still, it's totally an awesome car. Like, other than judging the car itself, even though it's the regular one, not the top secret nor Tommy Kyra one, it just looks absolutely insane. Like, the whole metallic black color, it just looks awesome. Like, when you look at it first glance, it's just so clean. I just love it actually. But yeah, let's take a look at the car itself now. Here it is, the Nissan Skyline GTR R34 in the regular version and in metallic black. And as you can see, pearl, not metallic, sorry, pearl. And it looks absolutely clean. Look at the side. You have your regular matte gray 6-spoke rims, which are quite nice. Absolutely clean on the side, not too bad. Let's move on to the front. You have obviously the headlights in the regular tint. Nissan logo right there. I mean GTR logo, sorry, GTR badge. No exposed front intercooler like the top secret and Tommy Kyra. And yeah, just a regular front bumper as always. No front split or anything. Nothing too crazy. And yeah, there's the hood. Hold on. Is it just me, or there is a difference with the hood. So if you see here, when you compare it to this one, the blue one has this little hole. I don't know what it is, but yeah, there is that little hole. I forgot what it's for. I believe it's like a hood pin, or is it a hood scoop? A small one, I guess. It's not visible on the black one. And you have, oh, you do have pins on this one as well. You don't have this. That means it's a different model, is it? I'm not sure. It kind of feels like it. I mean, like, if that's not there, how did they like remake the casting? I just don't know. They're missing this on the black one. Even though it's in a black color, they should have included this at least as an extra detail. Or maybe this is like a different variant of this one. I just don't know. I couldn't compare it to the top secret Tomicaira one, but I can compare it to the white one now. Yeah, even this one has this black pin, whatever you call it. It's visible here but not here, even though this is in a black color. It's not there. I'm not sure why. That's interesting. I didn't notice it when I first opened it. And yeah, it's basically not there for the hood. Pretty interesting. So here is the hood, pretty clean and nice. Blacked out interior, regular window tint, as always, pretty nice. Here is the other side, if you are wondering, as usual. There you go. And let's move on to the back. So you have the rear lights, Nissan logo, GTR logo as well. The rear light and the brake lights, and also the rear light. The reverse lights right there as well. GTR license plate right there, and twin exhaust pipe. We have twin exhaust pipes on the original. Yeah, we do. So yeah, that's the comparison with the back of the car right there, which is quite similar. Here's the side as well, quite similar for most of the part, except for that hood pin. I'm not sure why is it not available on the black one, even though it's supposed to be like the same thing, right? There shouldn't be a difference. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you the base. So Mini GT made in China, 1999 Nissan Skyline GTR R34. So instead of putting it next to the top secret or Tomicaira, instead we'll park it here. And we currently have 5 Nissan Skyline GTRs from Mini GT, which honestly look pretty sick together, not gonna lie. I do kinda like it, all of them. So what's better, the black one, blue one, white one, or the red or blue one? So quite a tough decision. If you compare the black one with the blue one, the regular blue one, I would say the black one definitely wins by a margin. If you compare it to the metallic white one with the black, carbon fiber hood, I would say the black one still wins. If you compare it to the Tomicaira, also it wins. And if you compare it to top secret, I just don't know. It's between the top secret and the GTR in black. They both look tempting and really nice. Both of them are quite nice. The top secret basically in a different body kit, and so meanwhile the black one is obviously the regular version, just that it looks way cleaner in black. But I think it would go more to top secret still, even though the black one just looks absolutely awesome in that metallic black color, and it's especially when it's like really clean and very nice. Like the top secret is way more subtle, I would say. It looks pretty clean, pretty good, and it just has everything: the carbon fiber hood, the carbon fiber rear boot, you have the carbon fiber spoiler as well, the awesome looking rims in silver and gold, and basically like the modified front bumper, rear bumper, everything just looks pretty nice. Like out of all of the GTRs, I think the top secret would win easily. But yeah, overall it's quite a sick lineup of GTRs for now from Mini GT. Overall pretty sick and nice. Would like to see more released by Mini GT, maybe some more awesome colors. But yeah, there you go. That's my review of the Nissan Skyline GTR R34 in metallic black. Pearl black, sorry. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.